A resort, one bedroom pool villas in Udon Thani. You can come over and relax and stay here. Lots of places to eat and drink around the pool, and you can just sit. If you want larger villas, we've got 2 bedrooms as well, 2 bedroom villas. The 1 bedroom villa is 599 baht for 1 day. Then it's got 2 kitchens. It's got an inside kitchen and an outside kitchen, so you've got the best of both worlds. You can cook here, and then inside you can just use the microwave and use the kettle to keep all the smelly smoke out. And here you've got 2 places to sit. You can drink your beer or sit here and eat. And the back garden has got private parking. And here it's got a living room and a smart TV and super fast internet. Small desk if you want to use a laptop. And kitchen, microwave and rice cooker, oven and a fridge. Then inside you've got a 1 bedroom with air condition and towels and water, hairdryer and soap. Everything you need, toilet paper, which is handy. Basically a shower room, separate toilet, hot water in the shower, and you've got a wash-hand basin in the toilet. Then here, the bedroom's nice and small, so very easy to keep cold. You can sleep no problem, nice and cold and quiet. Nothing at the back of the villa. It's all quiet. There's no buildings or nobody down the back making noise. And you go out the side door, you can park your car here. Park your car and just park the car here, or your motorbike, and you can sit here and have a nice cold beer. Oh, here's the traffic. There's a bit of traffic noise in the daytime, but at night time it's quiet. It's a service road for Amperpen from Udon Thani, so daytime's a lot of traffic. In the morning, maybe 6 o'clock till 8 o'clock, people going to work. Then after work, people go home, and the road's perfectly quiet. So this villa's in Lia Resort in Udon Thani. So you can come and stay for a week if you want, see how you like it, and that's it. Beautiful, eh? Okay, Lia Resort, private pool villas for rent from 599 baht a day.